Desert wind is calling, a whisper in the night. Shadows start to lengthen, bathed in pale